Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses magka-comeback si Cherry, but this is another great comeback ni Cherry. And this is the Aqua S11 Pro. And this time around, it came back with the G99 ni MediaTek. At a price point na very affordable, plus it's capable. Meron siya 6.7-inch na AMOLED display. Meron siya 64MP na AAA camera. Meron siya 5,000 mAh na battery with 33 watts of fast charging. Plus, pwede ka pa mag-expand using a micro SD card. Lahat yung pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. Now guys, itong Cherry Aqua S11 Pro with a 8 plus 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gig of storage will be priced at 7,999, which I believe it's a good performer sa kanyang price point. Meron siya manipis na camera bump dito na almost kamukha ng iPhone 15 kasi dalawa lang kanyang mata. And it has a matte finish dito sa likod na kulay itim, which definitely is good dahil walang fingerprints. Ang size naman niya is flat and yung kanyang kanto is semi-chamfered, so hindi siya edgy. Tama lang naman hawak ko dito sa aking kamay and I feel good about this phone. Kaya ko naman mag-text ng one hand from edge to edge. And solid na kanyang punch hole dito sa harap kasi hindi siya malaki. Plus, hindi masyado makapal ang kanyang baba. Now, ang kanyang processor is the very popular na MediaTek Helio G99. I know na sobrang overly used na tong chip na ito and probably pinagsawaan na rin natin tong chip na ito sa reviews dito on other brands. But I can guarantee you naman na optimize siya dito sa Aqua S11 Pro. 421,000 points ang nakuha niya sa Antutu benchmark. And nung binreakdown ko, ito ang score na nakuha natin. Ito ang score na nakuha natin sa Geekbench na CPU benchmarking. And ito naman nakuha natin sa GPU benchmarking. And dito sa throttling test, no thermal throttling detected, which is quite surprised. Ginawa ko total test na ito for 3 times and same results. I'm quite surprised. Now, itong phone na ito has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Maganda display and I have no problem with this phone while using it outdoors. Now, kung nagsiscroll ka naman sa mga shorts and mga reels, I'm pretty sure na sobrang smooth niya dahil it has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Scroll ka lang scroll, no? As long as magandang inyong internet connection, I'm pretty sure na walang lag ito. Now, sad to say, itong phone na ito only has a level 3 na wideband security level, but it doesn't stop there kasi pwede ka naman manood ng mga good quality videos dito on this phone, and even though na wala siyang HD content, you can still watch some really nice videos dito sa YouTube, sa Netflix. I have watched several films dito. I'm quite happy with the results. Now, mind you na itong phone na ito only has one loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim. So, gusto na natin i-try, no? Isasagad natin sa 100% ka ng volume. Let's see how loud yung kanang sounds. Now, to my surprise, the sound is quite loud and okay na okay siya for music tripping or watching movies dito or even playing games. Now, speaking of playing games, no phone na ito, naglaro ako ng dalawang games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Here are the best graphical settings na kaya natin set dito sa phone na ito. And si Call of Duty Mobile, pag nilaro mo to, sinagad mo yung kanyang graphical settings, I can assure you na if you play mga ranked matches and mga battle royals dito, it's good kahit magbakbakan kayo, no? Wala ka masyado ma-feel na frame drops. Siguro meron man, very minimal, halos hindi mo masyado ma-feel. And the graphics is quite good at this price point. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, pag sinagad mo siya, ma-feel mo na may lag siya. So you have to lower down konti ka ng graphical settings to get it right, and you can really play this one at a high level. Except yung graphics, hindi lang high level. Itong game na ito achieved a 46 degrees Celsius ang kanyang pinakamainit na point using my Milestone na thermal scanner after playing for roughly an hour and a half. Now, itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery, can support up to 33 watts na fast charging. Now, using this on a day-to-day basis, I can assure you na kaya na magtagal ng one whole day without any problem. And nung sinalong ko to sa stress test ng kanyang battery, using the PC Mark battery stress test, binigyan ako ng 12 hours and 40 minutes based on 60Hz screen refresh rate and 50% brightness. Now, on many occasions na nagta-travel tayo, there are times na maiwan mo talaga ang iyong original charger. Normally, hindi mo maiwan ang iyong phone, but there are chances na maiwan mo ang charger mo, be it sa hotel or some other places kung nasa labas kayo, iniwan mo nakasaksak and naiwan mo ang cable and charger, anong pwede natin gawin? Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Pasok! Now, ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin about mga replacement chargers. Now, it's a bit hard to buy mga original na chargers. Now, kung nawala nyo ang original charger netong Cherry Aqua S11 Pro natin, I would suggest something from Ugreen. And I have here is a 65 watts na fast charger from Ugreen, and it can easily replace yung charger na meron natin from Cherry. And it works as good as the original charger. And battle tested ko na to for several years already here on my channel, and I could really vouch for Ugreen for yung quality niya. You can also try out yung kanyang 30 watts charger which comes in black or purple color. Now, this is the first ever Ugreen na robot GAN fast charger, and it looks really nice. Ang ganda ng tingnan. Dito sa ibabaw, you have 3 ports, isang A port at dalawang C port. So, gusto lang natin i-try dito. I-action lang natin, no? Ikabit ko lang dito. And you'll see yung ganito ang kanyang itsura, which means naka-standby siya. Now, you can try to use ang kanyang C port. And i-charge natin itong Aqua S11 Pro natin. Which, okay, nakita natin, no? It's fast charging. And you'll see yung kanyang logo dito sa display would look something like this. Yung sa kanyang robot GAN fast charger. And then, see, mabilis siya, kasi kakasaksak ko lang. From 54, naging 55 na siya. And this charger can really supply it really fast dito sa aking Cherry Aqua S11 Pro. Na kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, link on the description. Napag-usapan na natin ang camera na itong phone na ito. This one has a triple camera setup. Starting off with a 64MP na main camera sensor together with a 2MP na macro lens and a QVGA na sensor. It can shoot up to 2K na video recording, and ang kanyang harap is a 16MP na selfie camera which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now guys, simulan muna natin ang ating outdoor shot dito sa camera. And taking outdoor shots, I would say very natural mga nakukuha ko. Very nice, magandang details. Really nice ang nakuha ko dito sa bato na ito. And I would say yung kanyang kulay green dito sa kanyang dahon, hindi siya saturated. Now, looking at this one, makita natin all of the details are preserved dito sa alambre, sa mga ugat dito, plus sa mga vines. It's really nice. Now, there are times naman pag nakita ng AI niya na kailangan niya i-enhance ko yung kulay green, this one is a little bit enhanced than the actual color green na nakikita natin with my naked eye. But if you zoom it in, you'll see all of the good details dito sa kanyang dahon. Now, kung tinignan naman natin ang kanyang other lenses dito, this is a normal shot, this is a 2x zoom, and this is a 4x zoom. You see the difference between the 2x zoom and the 4x zoom na mas gloomier ang clouds dito. And if you zoom it in, sobrang pixelated na rin siya. No? So halos unusable na itong picture once you zoom it in. Now, if you take a look at other pictures na kanyang normal lens, makita mo naman ang details na sa cloud, but not as detailed as the Aqua GR. Now, kung pinasok ko naman ang kanyang camera on indoor situation, you'd see some really nice photos. Pag nakakuha ka ng mga shots like this, mga nakahang na stuffed toys and more stuffed toys, may see yung mga details niya, mga first niya is talagang magandang details. Then if you take in some indoor na flower shot, you'd really get some really nice details dito sa kanya kasi magandang lighting. And like mga shots like no, I really love it kasi ang ganda. Very clear, very sharp ang mga photos. And itong photo na ito probably is one of my favorite. Makita mo ang ganda ng focus dito sa subject. And pag tinignan mo kanyang background blur, it's really nice and saktong-saktuhan lang kanyang pagka-blend in yung kanyang blur. Which makita mo yung subject niya, litaw na litaw, separated from its background. Now, this is another good shot na nakuha ko dito. You see yung kanyang dramatic na shot. Makita mo pop out yung kanyang subject, which is ang ganda ng kanyang separation between the subject and the background. Now, pag sa indoor naman, this is a normal shot. This is a 2x zoom shot, and this is a 4x zoom shot. Which I think not so bad using its 4x zoom kasi kitang-kita pa rin mga words na nakasulat dito sa banner. And taking some food shot, I would say it's nothing really special, just a regular normal food shot. And medyo na-enhance ka na pagka-yellow dito. After ma-enhance ka ng AI, makita mo yung mga food shot ko dito, it's a little bit yellowish. Now, looking at some outdoor selfie shot, you'd see some really good shot. Probably not the best na selfie shot na nakuha ko on a price point like this, but for me, it's not so bad. And zooming in sa aking mukha, medyo soften siya and tanggal lahat ng blemishes sa aking mukha. Now, if you look in indoor, I would say na parang mas maganda pa ang picture na nakuha ko from indoor as opposed to sa outdoor na nakuha natin. And this one is a clear photo as compared to the outdoor. And this one also is another good shot na nakuha ko from the indoor as well as this one. Now, kanyang front-facing camera can take in a 1080p na video. And I would say it's shaky, medyo nakakahilo if you watch it, but the resolution is quite good. And if you use the rear camera, this one can shoot up to 2K video, but masasabi ko it's quite shaky, but the resolution is quite good. And sharp naman ang video. Medyo nakakahilo lang talaga. Now, itong comeback ng phones ni Cherry is another good valued phone. At 7,999, you get a good battery life, you get a good AMOLED screen, you got a very decent camera, and you get a good mid-level gaming experience. Definitely, the phone na ito would be a good choice over the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G, which also has a G99 as its main processor. Now, itong phone na ito, I would definitely recommend it over the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G, which has the same processor, but yung performance nito na is a little bit better, plus yung price point niya is more friendly. So guys, if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ang Cherry Aqua S11 Pro, link on the description. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be aquatastic. See you soon. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out! Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.